Good day, everyone. My name is Jeffrey C. Dagatan, and today I am honored to present an overview of Iligan Capital College, widely known as ICC. Before we dive into our personal strategies, let us look at the foundation of this institution. Located at Rojas Avenue, Barangay Mahayahay, Iligan City, Lanao del Norte, Iligan Capital College was established in 1963 by the late engineer Cicenio S. Rosales and Madam Loriana San Pedro Rosales, and officially registered in February 1964. Starting from humble beginnings with just two wooden structures, ICC transformed into a modern 8,000 square meter campus featuring three concrete school buildings. It grew into one of Iligan City's most prominent institutions by consistently responding to the community needs, pioneering programs in technical education, criminology, computer science, business administration, and basic education, founded on the core guiding principle of science and virtue for God and country. ICC remains a benchmark for accessible, high-quality, values-based education in northern Mindanao. To maintain this legacy of distinction, our institutional agenda centers around three major pillars: academic excellence, visionary development, and strategic growth. We ensure that our academic programs adapt dynamically to modern industry demands. By investing in future-proof learning hubs and curriculum enhancement, we empower students to step confidently into their respective field. A key factor behind our sustained growth is our strong, disciplined student body and collaborative organizational framework. As seen here, our students thrive in vibrant campus environments, from field training to student leadership. Administratively, we operate through a collaborative hierarchy, maximizing resource optimization and driving departmental synergy. Every department works cohesively to support student development and institutional goals. At the heart of any successful academic institution is leadership. ICC practices student-centered transformational leadership, championed by key leaders such as Dr. Ray Vincent E. Aranya as the Director of Academic Affairs and OIC to the President in ICC. His leadership style prioritizes mentorship, empowering our faculty, and maintaining an open-door policy for administrative guidance. When teachers and administrators are supported with the right tools, our students directly reap the benefits of exceptional instruction and empathetic governance. In academic administration, excellence must be measurable. ICC maintains strict quality assurance frameworks, continuously measuring our performance through structured metrics and fostering transparent accountability. Through ongoing curriculum reviews, faculty evaluations, and library and facility audits, we hold ourselves accountable to the highest educational standards. I would rate the management of Iligan Capital College as excellent. The reason is their efficient resource allocation that drives operational success, high level of student satisfaction that reflects their core priorities has been observed. Furthermore, their strong community engagement that validates their strategy shows that their management philosophy extends beyond the campus walls, creating a positive impact on Iligan City as a whole. As I end my presentation, I would like to share my personal insight about the philosophy management of Iligan Capital College. My insight on management philosophy is that it serves as the heartbeat of any institution. It aligns individual efforts with a collective vision, ensuring consistency in every decision made. A well-defined philosophy like the one at ICC fosters an environment of growth, integrity, and long-term sustainability. For over 6 decades, Iligan Capital College has stood strong as a beacon of knowledge, character, and leadership, We look forward to continuing this tradition of service and excellence for generations to come. Thank you for listening and have a good